Hi, I'm Jennifer Ampulski, Travelers Life Sciences Practice Lead, with a video series designed to help guide pharma companies like yours transition from clinical trials to commercialization. So, you've launched a new drug. That's great news. Now what happens when it's out in the real world? What if doctors start prescribing your drug for off-label use or for conditions you didn't anticipate? At first blush, that sounds like a great business opportunity, but hold on, it can also present serious risks. Let's take a closer look. With off-label use, dosages or frequencies may differ from clinical trials, and these differences can lead to critical side effects. A pharma company may still be liable, even if they were unaware of these unforeseen risks. You have a duty to stay knowledgeable and warn patients. You'll need a post-market surveillance plan to help keep track of unexpected challenges. To help protect your business from potential increased risks associated with off-label use, Travelers offers coverage that doesn't exclude off-label use. Trust our capabilities to help keep you in the know along the way as you transition, including life sciences specialists who can help you monitor and respond to the unexpected. To learn more about Travelers' capabilities for life sciences, talk to your independent agent or visit travelers.com/lifesciences.